welcome to the SAP Product Inspiration Series. I'm Nina, a Program Manager in the SAP Product Success team. Today, we're exploring the incredible journey of Döhler in adopting our latest product innovations with Sales and Service Cloud version 2. I'm joined by Michel Emmerich from Döhler and Razim Özkan from our partner Solvia. First of all, congratulations, Michel and Razim, on your successful global go-live with Sales and Service Cloud version 2. Let's kick it off with the first question. Why did Döhler choose SAP CX?
Yeah, thanks a lot, Nina, for having us today. We really appreciate that close collaboration and the trusted partnership we have built together over the last years. At Döhler, we chose SAP CX because we wanted a strong and modern CRM that truly supports our digital transformation, and it was important for us to have a solution that connects seamlessly with our SAP S/4HANA landscape, that provides smart insights with GenAI and machine learning, and can easily scale across our global markets. You know that we have worked with SAP for many years now, and from the start we also joined the Early Adopter Care program for Sales and Service Cloud version 2, and that gave us the chance to work hand in hand with the product team, share our feedback, and make sure that the platform at the end really fits our business needs. And this close collaboration really paid off. We are still very proud that we have achieved such a smooth implementation and a successful go-live in early May this year.
It's inspiring to see how Döhler's commitment, the early engagement, and the close collaboration with our teams has led to a successful implementation and go-live. Could you, Razim, please tell us about the specific solutions Döhler has implemented?
Of course, Nina. As part of Döhler's Relate project, we were deeply involved in shaping processes and solutions for their sales and service teams. This wasn't just about migrating from C4C to V2. It was also an opportunity to introduce new features and processes, like guided selling with playbooks and the new ASM process. We leveraged out-of-the-box capabilities, including GenAI features for accounts, leads, opportunities, and activities, as well as server-side integration with Outlook and Teams. We also connected Döhler's S/4HANA for master and transactional data using the SAP Integration Suite. On top of that, we built Döhler-specific BTP applications, for example, Döhler sampling request process, and embedded it into the overall user experience.
Thanks, Razim. We too truly value the close collaboration. Michel, how satisfied are you with SAP solutions, and what's the specific value for your organization and customer experiences?
Yeah, we are really happy with what we have achieved so far, and we are especially satisfied by the speed and the performance of SAP Sales and Service Cloud version 2 and how smoothly we were able to connect the SAP CX AI toolkit. The overall user experience has been very positive as well. The system is intuitive, it's easy to use, so our teams were able to continue working on their known processes and also didn't need that much training to get onboarded, and that means we were productive right from the start. And we are already seeing strong results already. We have a higher productivity, we gain smarter insights with all the AI capabilities, with guided selling, all giving us a much deeper customer understanding and a more streamlined sales process. So overall, the new system is already delivering a clear value to us for our teams, and we are looking forward to realizing even more benefits as we continue our journey with version 2.
I'm thrilled to hear that our solution has delivered such strong results for your team. If you had to pick one specific feature from SAP Sales and Service Cloud version 2, what's your favorite one that you couldn't live without?
Yeah, that's a tough one, Nina, because there are really so many great features in Sales and Service Cloud version 2. But if I had to choose one, I think I would highlight the AI-powered features. So, for example, tools like Account Synopsis or Lead Booster that deliver valuable insights to our user within seconds. We are also using AI-driven capabilities like meeting and case summaries, engagement advice, the email translation, email drafter. So all kind of features that help our teams save time and focus on what really matters.
Thank you so much for sharing this, and I completely agree. AI-powered features are truly transforming the way teams access and leverage customer metrics. What advice would you give other customers who are about to adopt Sales and Service Cloud version 2 as well?
I think there are a few things companies should really consider. So one of my advices would be to take the time to understand your own business processes and requirements before even starting the implementation. Of course, work closely with SAP and with your implementation partner to make sure the solution truly fits your needs at the end. And you should not underestimate the value of involving your end users early in the process. Get their feedback, let them explore the system, try to build excitement around the new experience, and of course listen to their feedback and use it to fine-tune the system even after go live. And at the end, I think it's a combination of collaboration, preparation, and continuous learning and training that really leads to a smooth transition and a lasting success.
Speaking of collaboration, Razim, can you elaborate on Solvay's specific approach in supporting Döhler throughout the implementation process?
Absolutely, Nina. Our approach has always focused on active communication and close collaboration with Döhler's team, starting with our C4C implementation several years ago. This gave us deep insights of Döhler's business needs early on. For the V2 transition, we began by analyzing both existing and newly requested CRM processes in the light of the technological capabilities of the V2. As a result, we not only ensured a seamless transition from C4C to V2, but also transformed Döhler's sales and service processes with the new AI-driven features.
Excellent. Michel and Razim, thank you both so much for sharing your insights and experiences. Döhler's journey with Sales and Service Cloud is truly inspiring, and we are certainly looking forward to more success stories like that in the future. But now it's demo time. Let's see an integrated system demo from Döhler in action.
This demo shows our SAP Sales and Service Cloud V2 system and some functionalities which we've implemented for sales managers at Döhler. On the home screen, we have an overview of our leads, opportunities, and cases. At the bottom, we can directly jump into our focus area, where we can navigate to other applications such as our IBP demand planning, IT ticket section, or the We Lead user information, where we can find our digital training manual and detailed information about our core processes, tools, and guidelines at Döhler. Back to our home screen, we can use the KPI cards to ad hoc filter data. We would like to see if we have overdue leads in the current or last week, and in which status the leads are. Additionally, we just want to see if we have already cases with a requested end date for next year. On the left side, we have the entity list, where we can also directly jump into our leads or products. Today, we would like to get a deeper look into one of our customers, NatureFizz Beverages. We search for this account directly in our global search. After clicking on the account, the quick view opens on the right side. And we can see first account insights, and we can navigate directly to the account object. Now we are in the account itself. Under the General tab, we see general data like key metrics, contacts, notes, and attachments. On the left side, we have the side panel to get more information in the overview and the timeline, where we check all activities which are maintained for NatureFizz Beverages.
For sales managers, we have to consider a 360 degrees view on our customers. Therefore, we use the integration to our SAP Analytics Cloud system. With the analytical stories, we get insights for market to lead to opportunity, and order to cash processes. Additionally, we would like to edit account characteristics which are maintained in our SAP S/4HANA backend system with our B2P applications, which are directly embedded into our CRM. Data which we edit here will be synchronized immediately with SAP S/4 without system breaks. We can also edit our category management and first order activities, also fully integrated and synchronized with our SAP S/4. Another highlight of our implementation is the account development plan, which we use to strengthen our customer relationship. As a sales manager, we can maintain content manually or generate it by AI. Today, we would like to generate a customer's vision for Natura Fizz beverages by AI. We can later also adjust the text if needed and save it. Other features of the ADP process are core listings, ADP actions, and strategic account planning. Next, we use the Activities tab to get insights about appointments and tasks. In the Leads and Opportunities tab, we see all relevant sales transactions. In the Samples Order tab, we can see all sampling requests of this account and can directly create new orders as well. Also, the quotes and sales contracts can be managed seamlessly without using the SAP S/4HANA backend system. Additionally, we maintain sales data and gather information using SAP's generative AI feature called Account Synopsis. This concludes our demo. We hope you've gained some insights into how we at Döhler are using SAP's intelligent CX solutions across the business suite. Thanks a lot for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.